What's going on YouTube? Happy Friday, by the way. This is Wes and welcome to Wes What's Cooking, the channel where I bring you recipes on any and everything. And since it's Friday, we're going to be getting a little tipsy tonight. We're going to be making a bourbon blackberry smash. It's full of blackberries, mint, lime, real delicious. So let's go ahead and get into it. So into your shaker, we're going to add in some blackberries. I'm using a protein shake bottle blender because that's what I got. So like I said, we're going to add in some blackberries. And then we're going to follow that up with some mint leaves. Now that we got the mint leaves in, we're going to add in the lime juice and we're going to muddle it together. Now if you don't have one of those, you just take the back of a wooden spoon and you just go to work with it. I got the back of a wooden spoon because that's what I got, and that's what I'm going to use. So now that step's done, we're going to add in our simple syrup. Now simple syrup is just equal parts sugar and water. Then we're going to follow that up with our bourbon. I'm going to be using a blackberry flavored bourbon, but you can use whatever kind you would like. I'm just using blackberry just to sort of reinforce the flavor of the blackberries that we're using. We're going to add in our ice and we're going to cover it up and give it a good shake. So now that you got it shook up, you just want to put it in a nice glass full of ice that makes you feel like you deserve this Friday night. You're going to top it off with some club soda. You're going to garnish it with some mint, a little lime slice, throw in blackberry, and there you go, a bourbon blackberry smash. Now if you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a beat. And now all you got left to do is go ahead and sit back on that couch, binge watch that Netflix show, and go ahead and sip on that drink. And until next time, I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all take care.